Hey everybody, we're the Nerds. We're here today in Lakeland, Florida at the Lakeland Antique Mall. It's something we've been wanting to do for a long time. They're going to have Universal and Disney things inside of there, plus like I guess your normal antique store as well. But they have vintage things. It's going to be pretty cool. We've seen a lot of videos on this and read a lot about it. So with that being said, let's head inside to Lakeland Antique Mall in Lakeland, Florida. Vintage furniture, home decor, antiques. There's a giant horse over there. And already, before we even go inside, look at this. You see two ride cars here. It's the Space Mountain one back there. There's the Magic Kingdom right here, Tomorrowland Starjet. So that's some interesting things right there. Right before you head inside. And there's their store hours right there, 10 to 7, 7 days a week. Except for Sunday, open till 6. Right as you come inside, you create to the Starjet ride car right there, and then right here the Disneyland Space Mountain ride. So you got the whole ride car here as well. That's awesome to see that. And then here's a look at the whole store here. You got a big dinosaur right there greeting you as well. And we're gonna walk around and just see what we can find, especially with Disney and Universal. Haunted Mansion stuff already here. Those guys look really cool. There's like a whole comic little area here for comic books, and there's some more Haunted Mansion stuff. Oh, there's the Hobgoblin right there. Spider-Man up top, all kinds of comics in here. Wolverine. Little coin machine over here. I see Halloween Horror Nights straight ahead of us. That's awesome. We'll stop off right here. Let's look at some lounge flies in here.
Look at that purple one. It speaks to us.
Yeah.
Look at the leopard. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
There's a leopard one there. Disney
How
lounge
much
fly
are these
animal print.
ears?
It's $189. Looks like for the whole set. And then there's all these other ones right here. They got some neat stuff in here for sure. Look at the little minstrel one right there, Steph. Little Mickey one right there, and Dumbo.
Look at the Bambi.
Look, Steph. Your teacup.
Oh, it's Chip.
Yep, Chip is so cool. Here's the Cursed Coconut Club, which, you know, you started with the Dead Coconut Club and then went to the Revenge of the Dead Coconut Club this year for HHN. And the Cursed Coconut Club was for their Mardi Gras celebration. This is the actual banner that they hung outside of the club there. Here's some more things from the Cursed Coconut Club right here. Look at this. The Dragula car. Halloween Horror Nights 29 Rob Zombie. That was actually there at the park. That's a photo op they had right there. That's really cool. I like the HHN Never Go Alone 30th year back there sign too. There's a few more things back here as well. All from the Cursed Coconut Club, it looks like. More lounge flies here. Look at the Tinkerbell stuff. And then we got the classic Boo with the pumpkin here. Actually has some Funko Pops over there. And then, oh, look, Splash Mountain signs right there. And look over here. You got some Minnie and Mickey's over here. Some of the stuff is from this year, actually, it looks like. And then you got the little Mickey sign. We just saw this at Disney just a little bit ago. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, Haunted Mansion. Lots of great little posters here. Came across a Route 66 sign. We just completed Route 66 this year. This is an authentic sign, not a repo. A reproduction, sorry, not repo, reproduction. So we just actually finished that. We did half of it last year, half of it this year. That was a very fun drive. I was really happy to get that completed. Look at the old Dairy Queen cone sign over here. So see the Route 66 sign right there? And look at there, Jack Skellington, some Grogu's. Man, this place is awesome. Hocus Pocus Pill over here. There's some more Disney pumpkins and glasses and everything over here.
That's one of my favorite movies. Who Framed Roger Rabbit?
I love Roger Rabbit, yeah. That's cool. Here's Roger Rabbit. Oh, they got so much classic stuff here. And there's an old Animal Kingdom print right there. There's a turkey. And right above the turkey, it's a Frankenstein. Or Frankenstein's monster, I should say. I don't know what I think about that one. I'm not shaking my little fist pump or what I should do. There you go.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Fist pump to Frankenstein's monster. This is the Really nice antique store. And Ronald McDonald was there, what Stephanie was showing. It's just a really neat antique store in general, and they have some mixed in a lot of Halloween and stuff like that. Or, yeah, my parents would love to come to
We're
this.
speed racing through the store. They'd still be back in the first aisle.
We have found the Halloween Horror Nights section over here. Got the studio screamers right there.
I don't know what are those.
That's the pins, right? Or is that
Socks.
socks? Look at there. That's how the icons coming back. Oh man, this store is so big. We could have like a 2-hour Universal Orlando Vault Collectibles. We could have like a 2-hour video easily. I don't know what that thing is, but that's really neat. I like that jack-o'-lantern flashing too. Wow. Look at all the ghosts here.
House or something?
It tells you right there, Halloween Horror Nights Prop Spider 2022 HHN Scarecrow Stalk Event. Oh, that's when you went around and had those little things at the end of you got a little prize. We didn't do it that year. But you go around the different stores, they had different little props and things like, or different props and all that you can mark off. There's a whole bunch of signs here.
Halloween Horror Nights cups.
So we got some of
30
these.
years of
There's the Mardi Gras cups there. Man, so much stuff here. Wow. All kinds of signs here. There's the Mardi Gras tribute store signs. They even got phones over there. Haunted Mansion. Over here is the collectible cups for HHN. The eggs, not the cups, of course. That's just the display for it. Love is Universal. The Mummy. I mean, y'all, this is amazing. There's the Scarecrow cat display. Oh wow. It's like they bought everything. There's a couple arcade machines over here. Oh, Steph.
Oh, there.
HHN Halloween Horror Nights 2022. Look at the sign right there. How much is that sign? $195. That is cool looking with the pumpkin, the wish, and the scarecrow.
Thanksgiving Day Parade sign.
That's really cool.
Where's that from? Oh Lord, that looks old.
Not sure on that. All kinds of props back here. This is the Penn Teller's prop welcome sign right here for 2012 HHN. That is really interesting. There's a little banner right there. Back behind here, you can just see there's Haunted Mansion stuff back there. Oh man, there's everything. This is like the mecca of like HHN and Disney all mixed in one. This is, or not HHN Universal, but this is really cool. There's a bunch more of the stuff from the Coconut Club for the Cursed for the Mardi Gras celebration right here. These little prop signs here. There's a Shrek 4D prop sign somewhere. I'll see it back here. There's a thing for it right there. Oh, it looks like it's probably in pieces. There's Shrek back there. Oh, look at that. Mardi Gras. I even got the phones here, Steph. Grand Floridian phones if you need one. That's character used gloves with a dressing room star. Pluto right there, character used collar. And Chippendale character used gloves right there. It's $32.50, $49.95, $4,995, and also $5,000 for that one as well. So much stuff to see up here.
Hey, you think those Chick-fil-A cups are for sale?
They are. They could make them with a drink in them too. It's weird. There's 2 Chick-fil-A cups sitting up there randomly. I want to buy the random Chick-fil-A cups. Look, Mickey's Halloween Party. Let's boo this little trick-or-treat bag it looks like they gave out. Or the party bag. I don't even know where to start back here. There's just so much stuff. All these art prints over here. Some of them are signed. Tinkerbells everywhere you look. What do you find, Steph?
It's a little Tink. I think she's really cool.
Definitely unique, isn't it?
I've never seen her with these colors and the.
Yeah, it's really unique. She's pretty.
It's a Brito. I'm not sure what that is.
What's that cost?
It's $45.
Doesn't seem bad for a nice art piece there. Some worldwide world of sports trophies right there. Some Mickey ears through here. A Disneyland Resort. Wow. Look all the stuff they have up top there. Pirates of the Caribbean. That's a really nice framed picture right there. Oh, they even have shower curtains here, Steph. Disney All-Star Resort, shower curtains, and room dividers.
Disney movies. A lot of these you can't find.
Oh, and the display for it, too.
Yeah.
Wow. That display doesn't turn anymore, but wow.
Where the rescuers
That's so
down
neat.
under.
So many good movies here. I want the display. I'm sure they'll sell it to you, of course. That's an awesome display.
Homeward Bound.
Look, Steph.
Dinosaur.
What do you see, babe?
What do I see?
What do you see?
A boar.
A Pumbaa.
A Pumbaa.
A Pumbaa. A Pumbaa. Pumbaa is... Oh, he's on sale for $1,000. He was $1,300.
Tables. They on sale for $75. Where are they from? All-Star Resort. Mickey
All-Star
Table.
Mickey table. We can get a Pumbaa for the dining room and a Mickey table for the dining room, Steph. What do you think?
I don't know about that. What do you think about that? Look, this is the recipe for a chocolate lava cake that was at Disney's California Grill.
That's neat. Look at the Monopoly framed over there.
I'm taking a picture of that.
Look at all these characters up there.
Oh, they have two of those Mickeys then. The big one. Just
Yeah.
one down there to your left.
Wow. They got the bags. Like Halloween 2011. There's a member cruise there for DVC. I mean, we're just hitting like the prop area. We've done a little bit of the antiques, but this place is gigantic. Walt Disney World's classic Cinderella. There's a Disney Yacht Club resort chair right there.
Yes.
What'd you find, babe?
To give these to the employees at work so they can, when they do their bank runs, they can put their money in a Mickey portfolio.
That's cool. It's just, it's like they bought everything. Like popcorn things over here for All-Star Resort. Grand Floridian New Room Rehab Mary Poppins wallpaper. If you like the wallpaper from where you stayed there, you can get it right here.
Look. And then there's the birds. There's her umbrellas upside down.
Nice.
I want this.
Oh. Stay at the hotel, or you can buy it here. What option, Steph?
I'll stay at the hotel.
If y'all remember going to the Disney stores, it's like Plush Mountain right here. So when you're going in, you have all those plush right in the front. It's did an amazing job. Look at all the Mickeys and Minnies in here. Halloween ones. I mean, we got some classics in here. Look at these stuff in the front here. We gotta get those, don't we? The Mickey and Minnie little ghost. Oh man, we need those. And then look here, Coronado Springs Resort. 20 or 35 years of
I
magic.
need this chair from my reading area. I can.
That's a Grand
curl up in
Floridian
it.
suite chair. That's neat. Oh, there's just so
There's
much.
shirts back there too.
State Fair 87
There's
Disneyland.
Forky.
Shirts.
You gonna wear Forky?
Where's Forky? Oh, on the shirt?
On the shirt on the front.
Oh, that's cool. Right there. I think we can have tickets. How much are these stuff?
I think they're $89 a piece.
Those are so cool. More Funko Pops. I never realized the child was that gigantic of a Funko Pop. There's Chewie right over there. I got that zombie Iron Man. I love the Iron Man series. Or not zombie, I love the zombie series of Funko Pops. But man, I never noticed Grogu or the child was that gigantic. It's huge. I was looking at the merch here and just noticed this table right here is from the Monsters Cafe, which is no longer around. It's now the Minions Cafe. Thought that was pretty cool right there. The Blue Man art right there as well. Just so much cool stuff. But maybe we can eat off that table at one point. That's neat to see that. I couldn't stay away from the Halloween Horror Night section. It's my favorite event we go to every year. I love it. I just couldn't stay away. A little more right there. Jack on backside right there. And what's behind this phone down here? Oh, it's the 2019 series or year. That was so fun that year. Actually, look back in here. There's just more stuff, more signage back there. It's hard to see everything back in there. It's kind of all just thrown back in there. Melly's Remarket. And there's the information about it right here as well. But just wanted to show you how cool this stuff looks. Like a window pane. And they got all kinds of artwork inside of it. These are really neat.
For old broken pieces and things that need to be restored, and then brings it to life with this kind of thing. This is really neat.
Yeah, this is some really nice
Look
artwork
at
here.
the here.
That's cool. Like the Cinderella Castle.
That is too cute.
I like this one down here a lot too with that stuff. Alright, just gonna keep walking through and see.
Harry Potter.
What? You got the Harry Potter glasses stuff.
Yes, I'm a true nerd.
We have a Harry Potter themed booth here. And all the letters hanging and the bird cage, and there's so much cool Harry Potter stuff in here.
The cupboard under the stairs.
This is literally an antique store for all ages and stuff. It could be a child here to a fully grown adult. Of course, we're children still. And really enjoy here. They have so many neat things here. Oh, the DC Bombshells Batgirl car I love the bombshells. DC makes some amazing, or DC has some amazing characters, and that bombshell line is really amazing. All these art prints in here. I like the Haunted Mansion one up there a lot. That's really cool. And look at this ride car here. You never know what you may find. It's from Splash Mountain. That's really cool. Rabbit Tails 50-foot plunge ahead. Artwork here. Oh, Steph. Popcorn coming up right there. And look at this, a whole area of Funko Pops over here. Wow. Alrighty, so that was Lakeland Antique Mall, located in Lakeland, Florida. That's always a mouthful. So awesome antique stores in general. So if you're a kid or an adult, I think you'd really enjoy the antique store. Tons of stuff. I mean, we could have filmed a 2-hour video and probably not even seen everything. So anybody that likes antiques, anybody supposed to look at some cool stuff, check out the store. On top of that, they have the ride cards there. They have Disney stuff. They have Universal stuff from the hotels, stuff from like the Mardi Gras event at HHN, stuff like the Halloween event at Disney, Halloween Horror Nights. What do you think, Steph?
Oh, sorry. I was reading something. I loved it. I loved all the HHN stuff and the Disney stuff. There were so many things in there that I would have bought had it been closer to my house and I didn't have to travel all the way back to Nashville. But it was a really great store. I think, yeah, I'd recommend anybody go check it out. Yeah,
not much else I can really say, but just check out Lakeland Antique Mall. If you're in the Universal Disney area, from our Universal Hotel is about 50 minutes to get down here, so Disney probably be about 35, 40. Not a bad drive. It's a good way to spend a couple hours driving there and back, and probably an hour or so. So maybe about 3 hours, I guess, round trip. You could probably do it and check out everything pretty quickly, or spend a whole half a day there if you want to, checking it out. Yeah, and if you're looking for some interesting like Halloween merch or some old Disney resort stuff and everything, definitely check it out. With that being said, the nerds are